Hello, 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 my yarny friends. It's Teresa with Critters Crochet, and today is Friday. So happy Friday. And I think we're prepared for this crazy weather that's getting ready to hit. So we're as prepared as we can be. Um, and everyone that's in the path of this winter storm, you're in my prayers for safety, that you stay warm, and that all will be good. Praying this storm won't be as bad as they're saying, and it won't last as long as they're saying. So, with that, today is the day that I talked to you about duck dishcloths. This is a fun little thing that Missy at Missy's Yarniverse is doing, and this past week she picked, or the ducks picked, the Nubby Mesh washcloth, dishcloth. Um, what she does is she has numbered each one of these in her book, and she has written a number on the bottom of a rubber ducky, and she pulls ducks out of a box, and she might pull 3, she might pull 6, she might pull 10. It just depends. And she goes duck, 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 and the last one, when she decides to, she'll say dishcloth, and that's the number that we do. Well, last week she picked Nubby Mesh, and so this is mine, and I think it turned out really, really cute. And the little nubs are made by doing treble crochet in one stitch, and then you single in the next, and it brings it down and makes a little bump. So that's what they call the Nubby Mesh. So that's my Nubby Mesh dishcloth. I think it turned out really cute. So for next week, she picked, or the ducks picked, the very next one. It's so funny because the week before was number 17. This past week was 18, and 19 was picked this time. So the next one, this was the Nubby Mesh. This next one is called just Nubby, and it is made with front and back post double crochets. So that's going to be really cute. So I will be showing you that one next Friday. And we're using this book right here. I don't think I showed it. The Little Encyclopedia of Dishcloths. You can get it on Amazon, and I got mine at Thrift Books, um, which I love ordering from them because then I can get free books. So you can get it at Thrift Books, or you can get it on Amazon. And that's the book we're using. And there are 31 dishcloths in this book. So she's going to continue to pull ducks, and we do one dishcloth a week until we get through all 31 dishcloths. Um, yeah. So I got some yarn in the other day, and I had to show it to you. If you watch Shannon at the Spoonie Stitcher and I on our lives, uh, she loves pink, or I love pink, and she loves the color teal. And so we've been saying tink peel. We got mixed up saying it on one of our lives, and it came out tink peel, and it's kind of just stuck. Well, she gave me the heads up the other day that Hirschner's has a Red Heart Super Saver, pink and teal Red Heart Super Saver, bitty stripes. Yeah, I jumped on that real fast. I got 3 skeins, so they're 515 yards a skein. So now I just got to figure out what I want to make with this. You guys give me some uh, ideas in the comments below. Let me know what I should make with this bitty stripes, teal and pink, because I am loving this colorway. They call it's called Lollies, Lollies, Lollies. And yeah, so now I got to figure out what I want to make with that. Let's see, what else? Oh, did you see what I was wearing? It says, hang on, God's got you. And it's a sloth, y'all. I got this from, if you have not checked out Love in Faith website, you have got to. They have a Facebook page, And they also, you can download the app, Love and Faith app, to shop. And man, do they have some great deals. They have like most, there's a lot of times they will run sales and their sweatshirts are like $12, 5, 6, $7 t-shirts. I mean, and they're just, and they're very good quality too. These sweatshirts are so soft and so warm and comfortable. So I got this one, and when I saw that it had a sloth on it, you know I had to have it. So I love this shirt. I also, they have long sleeve t-shirts too, and so I saw this one and got it. Faith, Hope, and Love. So I got that. And so yeah, go check out. If I remember to, I'll link their website in the description box so you can go check them out. I'm not affiliated with them. I just really like their clothes, and you should check them out. Let's see what is coming up. Monday, um, we will be doing the fourth stitch in our members only crochet along. So members, make sure you're got your notifications on and you're staying tuned for stitch number 4. Um, then Tuesday, I'm going to have a video out um, about I just took it for granted, and I should not do this. I should not be assuming things, but I assumed that when I was talking about blocking that everyone knew what that meant. And excuse me, I may have some viewers on here that are brand new to crochet, and it was brought to my attention that not everybody may know what blocking is. And so um, since it's the last Tuesday of the month, I will be showing you all what I do to block my squares. And I'll give you some tips on, there's different ways to block if you're using cotton versus acrylic. And so I will be talking to you about that and showing you what blocking is all about. So that'll be in Tuesday's video. Wednesday will be our live for Battle of the Stitches, weather permitting. They are talking like if we get the ice that they're telling us we're going to get, we may not have power. But Lord willing, we are planning the live for Wednesday the 28th at 3 p.m. Central, 4 p.m. Eastern. And that'll be on Wednesday the 28th. But that all just depends on this weather and what happens. But I'll keep you updated. Then Thursday is the update on the Sophie's Universe blanket that myself and Sarah at one hook, two hands that we're doing. I will also be taking my mom to her neurology appointment that day. So that's going on. And then let's see, Friday will be the next update on the Nubby dishcloth for this week. So lots going on. I'm hoping that this afternoon I can get some videos for next week already uploaded and ready to go for you guys. Just in case there is a power outage, at least my videos will be up and you can watch them on your mobile devices if you have them charged up. So, so lots going on next week. A lot of fun stuff going on next week. So we shall see. And once again, guys, before I go, I want you to know, if you're in the line of these storms, I am praying for you. I'm praying for safety, and I pray that the storms won't be as bad as they are predicting them to be, and that we all just stay safe and stay warm, and everything will be good. So thank you guys so much. The channel is at 2,605 right now, and I have already put one item in the prize box. So item 2 will be going in there as soon as we reach 2,700. We'll have another addition to the prize box. When we reach 3,000, we'll go live and have another drawing. So make sure you're on that live, and you'll know in plenty of time when that's going to be. So have a great day. Stay warm. Have a great weekend, and I will see you again on Monday. Bye, guys.